Do you want to equip your employees with the necessary knowledge about the operating, towing, and maintenance of electric vehicles? If so, our high-voltage vehicle e-training is the perfect solution for you. In our demo video, we show you exactly how our microlearning app works. The central element of our e-training is our learning cube, which is structured in successive and increasingly complex levels. Each level consists of 8 to 15 learning units, so-called micro-learnings, which are between 3 and 15 minutes long, so that the e-training can be integrated flexibly and self-paced into the working day. Learners can pick and choose learning units in any order, depending on their own interest in a particular topic, the time they have available, or a challenge they may be facing in their day-to-day work. Throughout the learning process, participants experience a mix of different media and formats used to deliver level-based content. From text and images to interactive elements, 3D models, as well as videos. Once e-training participants have completed an entire level, they can check their knowledge by taking a test at the end of each level. Level tests include questions on all contents of the 8 to 15 microlearnings. Once all the questions have been successfully answered, the next level is automatically unlocked. Well done! Our e-training is completed when learners have successfully passed all tests of the increasingly complex levels. They will then receive a letter of participation. But that's not all. Because upon successful completion of our CUBE training, learners can use additional features to consolidate the newly acquired knowledge, making it permanently memorable. In our knowledge store, participants can find all learning elements categorized by the superordinate learning topics to refresh their memories. Learners can also quickly locate learning elements matching a specific keyword entered via an easy-to-use search function. With our favorites feature, particularly interesting learning elements can be bookmarked for later. Designating a chosen thumbnail with the green flag allows personally selected subjects to be found again quickly in the Favorites section when users are ready to start another learning session. Via My Feed, we regularly provide learners with new learning materials, such as quizzes and other exercises, helping learners to refresh their memory over the course of their continuous learning process in our app. Our library of rescue cards, cataloged by vehicle manufacturers, provide roadside assistance, towing, repair and maintenance professionals the quick reference they need to support their customers with the appropriate instructions in the event of an emergency. Our high-voltage vehicle e-training is a powerful training tool that can be tailored specifically to your company's needs and to the learning content relevant to your employees. It ensures impactful and motivating learning experiences, fostering enduring knowledge ready for direct application in daily work. Are you looking forward to empowering your employees with a new set of skills through this motivating, modern, and flexible e-training approach? We look forward to sharing with you how we can make our learning app fit for your company.